So I've been working on the house, but I decided to do a tutorial to step away from tile cutting and laying floors. So we are making, I'm not going to tell you just yet. I think it's going to be a nice little surprise. So basically, take any one of your 10 good nails and push back cuticles, cut off your cuticles, rough it up a little bit. Don't use a file as rough as I'm using mine. But I just grab anything because obviously the other 9 are looking rough anyway. So add a form, and so I like to, and then of course my Pottle is already filled with Plazma Gel. So I like to just add a little base coat from just the Pottle. Just add my little base coat after I wipe off and clean my nail. Da-da-da-da, da-da-da-da. And then I cure it, of course, with a little tap. The first tap is only 30 seconds. The second tap is a minute. And so for building, I like to use the Pottle as a pot. I like to scoop. That's right. I like to, like pile my brush that way. And then build my tip. Back and forth, and work your way up the form. Of course, make it as long as you want. And just, build that nail. And you can also start, doing building your apex as well. Of course, Plasma Gel is self-leveling gel, so it should do everything for you. Now, actually, I discovered something doing this tutorial, and I was really surprised. I was like, well, why didn't I think about that sooner? All the things that my products can do, I don't pay attention. But anyway, and then you just keep building it. Make it smooth and make it good. Look at that. Ta-da! It looks good. Now, it's time to cure this bad boy. Open your lamp. Give it a tap. And so since the lamp opens completely, look at that. She's like, you is pretty, you is kind. You can also cure your nail upside down, which is what I really needed to do. And now you can go into shaping the top and getting that apex just right. I love almond nails. I'm obsessed with almond nails, so that's what we're doing. Wipe it off because I'm a wiper. I like to keep it free of debris. And of course, I go into my little file kit, give it a little buff. And that also helps me to smooth out the edge so I don't cut myself because I'll be wearing this one nail for a while. Wipe it off with my bougie brush. Wipe again. No debris. This is good. So I've decided I'm going to take my little wand stickers and I'm going to make myself a trademark Pottle nail. That's right. And of course, I'm using my cutting tool. Look, do you see how rough my fingers look? Make sure you always wear gloves if you're, working with NZ. Anyway, and that's it. That's what I want to put on my nail. Do you see this big piece of cuticle? My nails are looking rough, but we're going to focus on the one good nail I got these days. So then you're going to put that on, and of course it's not going to lay flat because it's not a real nail sticker, so you're going to go ahead and cut around that. Now, I've worked with cutting tools for a while and also with my clients, so don't be afraid of it. Just make sure you go really slow and have a steady hand, and you'll be just fine. And that is my little logo sticker. Now I'm going to go back in and put some more Plasma Gel there. And make sure, since it is a little beveled and it is a thicker sticker, we're going to hit and pile it up there. We're going to cure it, see how kind of bumpy it looks, and then we're going to smooth it out. We're going to put one more Plasma Gel level on there, and then we're going to buff that as well one more time. Then we're going to add the top coat, which is a no white top coat. Ooh, yes. Oh my God, I have a Pottle nail, and then we're going to add some stones. Nothing fancy, but I mean, it is a trademark nail, so no, it's fancy. And then we're just gonna, I was like, oh, one under each little letter. And I was like, no, let's do a little bit more. So I added a couple more stones, to offset the other ones. And then I cured it. And that's it. What do you think? I love my little Pottle nail. Of course, I have to wear it for a while. But yeah, what do you think? Plasma Gel, you can encapsulate whatever you want. Thanks for watching.